Imagine waking up, checking your phone, and seeing an extra $500 sitting in your account. No boss, no overtime, just money working for you while you sleep. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, in 2025, it's not just possible, it's happening. Here's the harsh truth. If you're still relying on just your 9 to 5 job, you're already falling behind. AI is taking over jobs, and the ones who don't adapt, they get left behind. But today, I'm going to show you how to use AI to work for you, not against you. And no, I'm not talking about asking ChatGPT to do your homework and calling it passive income. These 5 AI tools will help you create automated income streams even if you have zero experience. And the last one? It's so powerful, people are already calling it the gold rush of AI. First up is the AI that needs no introduction, ChatGPT. But wait, are you actually using it the right way to make money? Instead of just asking ChatGPT for random fun facts, you can use it to build a content business, blogging, scriptwriting, or even running a faceless YouTube channel like this one. Imagine generating hundreds of dollars from ad revenue while AI does 90% of the work. And here's why you need to act fast. Google's AI content detection is getting smarter. The longer you wait, the harder it'll be to rank AI-generated content. Now tell me, would you rather let AI take your job or use AI to create an income stream? Number 2 is MidJourney, an AI-powered art tool that can create stunning digital assets in seconds. And before you say, I'm not an artist, neither is MidJourney. It just generates masterpieces anyway. You can sell AI-generated designs on print-on-demand sites like Redbubble, Etsy, or even turn them into NFTs. Artists are making thousands doing this, and the demand is only growing. But what if I told you there's an AI that literally makes money on autopilot without you even lifting a finger? Tool number 3, Copy.ai, AI for affiliate and email marketing. This tool writes sales copy, email sequences, and even full-blown landing pages. Combine it with affiliate marketing, and you have a fully automated money-making machine. Seriously, it's like having a marketing intern that never sleeps, never asks for a raise, and never takes coffee breaks. Tool number 4, Synthesia, AI video generation. Visuals, AI-generated avatar speaking, examples of faceless video businesses. AI-generated avatar speaking, examples of faceless video businesses. This tool creates talking AI avatars, so you don't even need to show your face to run a YouTube channel, create online courses, or even sell personalized video messages. People are making thousands by creating AI-generated spokesperson videos for brands on Fiverr and Upwork. But wait, what if you could create an AI business that runs itself, managing customers, marketing, and even payments? Sound crazy? Let me show you the future. Tool number 5, Auto-GPT, the AI that runs businesses, visuals, AI automating business processes, users sharing success stories. Unlike ChatGPT, this AI doesn't just answer questions. It takes action. You give it a goal, and it figures out the best way to achieve it. People are already using it to run e-commerce stores, manage stock trading bots, and even generate fully automated YouTube channels. This is like hiring an AI CEO for your business. And guess what? It's still in its early stages, meaning those who get in now will dominate in the next few years. So there you have it, 5 AI tools that can generate passive income in 2025. The question is, will you take action now or look back a year later and regret missing the wave? Now, if you're wondering, okay, I'm making money, but how do I multiply it? Well, that's where the real magic happens, through compounding. Click the next video to discover the power of compounding, because making money is one thing, but growing it into generational wealth, that's where you win the game. See you there.